If your Epic Games Launcher is acting slow, glitchy, not loading properly, or showing weird login issues, clearing the web cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the Epic Games web cache on Windows step by step in just a few minutes. This is a safe method, and it can help refresh the launcher without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. You want to make sure it is not running in the background because if it is still open, Windows may not let you delete the cache folders properly. Now press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the run box, type %locale appdata%, then press enter. This will take you straight to your local AppData folder, which is where Epic stores launcher data on your computer. Once the folder opens, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Inside that folder, open the saved folder. Now you'll see the cache folders that the launcher uses to store web data. The main folders you want to remove are webcache and webcache_4147. If you see both of them, delete both folders. These folders usually rebuild automatically the next time you open the launcher, so you are not damaging the app by removing them. You are simply clearing out old or corrupted web data that may be causing problems. After deleting those folders, you can close File Explorer. Now, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and let it load normally. The first launch may take a little longer than usual because it is rebuilding the cache from scratch, and that is completely normal. Once it opens, sign in if needed and check whether the issue is fixed. In many cases, this simple reset can solve loading problems, store page errors, blank screens, sign-in glitches, and other launcher bugs. If everything is working again, then you're all set. If not, you may want to repeat the process carefully or check for launcher updates as well. That's how you clear the Epic Games web cache on Windows. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.